well, I might be really screwed. Oh man. So let me tell you what's happening. Ah, shit. So, as you all know, diesels don't like air in the fuel system. So, as you can see, here is a lorry, and it is at an angle. And in the morning, it was here. So, in the morning, after going to get whatever I was getting, I came and parked it here, bro. And then in the morning I moved it there. So when I started it in the morning, it started really well. And as you can see, we over the night it was at a very steep angle, very steep. So when I started it in the morning, it started really well. And then as I was pulling back there at the top of the hill, it started sucking air, bro. And as you all know, diesels with air, they're not good friends. So I'm going to fix that. And fixing that is not as easy as you might think. So I'm gonna try to pump the hand pump. I'll try to pump the hand pump first to see, and if it doesn't do anything, we have to lift up the cabin so that we can access the hand pump there. As you can see, that little thing, that one that looks like it has a lid. So we must pick up the car, and it's at a really bad angle, actually, really bad angle. So even lifting up the cabin, normally I lift it up myself when I'm alone. But it needs two people now. So let's see what we can do. Also it has a bad battery. One battery is dead. So I'll first prime that, pump that hand pump and see if it gets fuel. If it doesn't, we go the longer way. And I don't like the longer way, actually. I don't like the longer way. I just hope that it does well. It starts with the first and I pump it. So let's see. are dead. Hmm? Let's go get the battery. Got the battery and the keys. So it turned out to be just pumping and then it started. But I was afraid that I had to do some things there with the span. So I'm glad I didn't have to do all that. I just had to pump it. And now it's at the parking. It's where it's parked. It's really old actually. I think it has 2,500,000 and something kilometers on the odometer. I don't know if you will see. Also, this door is needs to be fixed. But if you look at here, yeah, it has 2,598,000 and then 400 and something kilometers.